Nikki.
And welcome to Soul Tribe channel.
Tracy, what are we doing today?
Today we're going to be making a Theives essential oil blend, which is great for cold and flu season. Theives is actually also really good for, it's antibacterial, so you can use it to make natural cleaning products, to make natural toothpastes and different, I guess, products for your body and stuff. So, yeah. So we're going to actually be making these little roll-on bottles, so they're great for on the go. Yeah.
I want to say I remember the story behind Theives oil, that it was a medieval concoction that was made for merchants that were traveling, and they survived the plague, I believe, in Europe.
Yeah,
right?
So what had happened was they were spice merchants.
Right.
And
there you go.
During the Black Plague, they weren't able to make any money because the shipments from India, all that was, the docking was all cut off. So they didn't want anything coming in or going out because it would spread this Black Plague. So the spice merchants didn't have any money. So what they did is they had some spices left, so they made this blend with oils. And they rubbed it all over their body, especially areas where any bacteria could get in, like around their mouth and the nose and all that kind of stuff, ears. And what they would do is they would go and loot the homes of the Black Plague, people that had died from the Black Plague. So they'd go and steal all their valuable stuff and sell it to make money. But eventually they were caught, and the king was like, how are you guys surviving, going into these homes where people died from the Black Plague?
Yeah.
And the king said, if you give me the recipe, we won't, I think, burn you at the stake,
right.
I think it was.
So yeah, they could have been executed?
Yeah.
And they weren't.
Well, what happened was they gave them the recipe, and he hung them. Yeah. So you have to be careful about loopholes, right? So anyways, we've put together the concoction, which is, I think it's 6 different essential oils. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add 80% of the carrier oil. We're using the grapeseed oil, and 20% of the Theives oil blend. And so this is, as we said, it's a roll-on, so you can take it on the go. And
the reason why you want to mix it with the carrier oil would be because the essential oil blend on its own is pretty potent, and the oil actually makes it spread on a larger surface, and the absorption through the skin is slower. So it's a good idea to dilute with an oil, like a carrier. So if it's a roll-on, it also too, honestly, that stuff is strong. The cinnamon bark can actually burn on your skin directly. So definitely I recommend, if you're going to use a roll-on, to do the carrier.
yeah. One thing, we use cinnamon bark for this concoction. There is cinnamon leaf, which is less expensive, but cinnamon bark, although it is more pricey, probably 4 times the price, it's better to use because it's got more antibacterial properties to it. It's more potent.
It's pretty fiery.
Yeah.
I don't know why we put it directly on our skin. I don't recommend.
Don't do that.
I Felt like my
burns.
skin was on fire.
Yeah. Yeah, so we're just popping off the rollers.
Oh.
And these bottles, you can purchase them, like if you're gonna do these for gifts for people or large batches, you can order these bottles online in bulk. But I just went to a local health food store and they always have these bottles that you can purchase. And this is just a standard roll-on bottle. It's just under 10 milliliters. Is it? Yeah. So
Yeah, 0.31 fluid ounces, which is 9.16 milliliters.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm not that great at math. I had to Google that. Anyways.
Thank God for Google.
Thank God for Google. So now what?
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna fill up the bottles just 80% of the way with the carrier oil, and the other 20% will be this blend of the 6 different essential oils. Yeah, and all this stuff can be purchased at a health store, holistic store.
Did you go to the Healthy Planet?
Healthy Planet, yeah.
Planet, thank you.
It's hard to see.
Where am I? There we go.
Yeah,
So 80%?
Yep.
You say to there?
Yep.
I want to say. Look here where the barcode is.
yeah. The nice thing about making your own blend of Theives oil is it's about probably a quarter of the price, maybe more, because it's if you're gonna buy like a Theives oil from some of the well-known reputable companies, for 15 milliliters it's about $55. For this, the oils, I did spend about $100 for the, how many?
You have
1, 2,
5.
3, 4, 5, 6 different oils,
Oh, it
right?
is 6? I'm counting.
Oh, 5, yeah.
5, yeah.
5 different oils. I spent about a total of $100, but you're gonna get about 100 milliliters, and those oils can be used for so many different things. So it's kind of a nicer investment to get, you know, the 5 different oils for the $100, and then you get basically it's $1 a milliliter,
Mm-hmm.
whereas to buy from the other company it's $3.60
Yeah.
a milliliter. So yeah, a lot cheaper. You can do so much with all the oils. Okay, so we've got our carrier oil. Now we're just gonna add our blend of Theives oil.
And so what's in it is lemon,
Mm-hmm.
essential oil. One of them is lemon, right?
Yeah.
And clove, eucalyptus, and rosemary. Did I get them all?
And I'll put it all in the video.
And cinnamon bark. There we go, the tough one. This will be the best roll-on ever.
Yeah.
I can smell that. Can you smell that?
And actually, when I was starting to get sick, I just put my Theives oil, rubbed it. I was actually getting a sore throat, so I just rubbed it right here on my throat, and within minutes I already started to feel better.
Me too.
So
I came over today and I had a bit of it's feeling a bit buggy, you know, when
Yeah.
that onset. So she gave me her oil. I put it actually right on directly on my throat because that's where I'm actually feeling it.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm feeling a little bit better.
You can rub it on your feet.
Yeah.
Where else?
Yeah,
Feet
that's
and
right.
throat,
On the
that's
sole
me.
of your feet. That's right. The bottom of the feet really absorbs there.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes it's really intense and strong. It's probably the best place, right? There you go. And you just mix it.
Yeah. Just mix it up. It's smells really nice too.
Mmm.
Yeah, so it's a good natural way to prevent from the flu.
Fight it naturally.
Mmm, smells so nice.
The eucalyptus. Ooh. And then they do it here underneath the jawline, where your glands are. That's really nice, Tracy.
Yeah.
Wow. There you go. For a fraction of the cost, you can make your own Theives oil.
Yeah, and then you can also, I don't know if we mentioned, oh yeah, how you can just look up recipes to use this oil to blend with probably distilled water, and you can use it to as a
You can
purifier for the air.
Room spray.
Yeah, add
Instead of Lysol.
it exactly.
The
Yeah,
antibacterial sprays, we don't want Lysol.
Yeah.
Use the Theives oil. You can put it in water.
Yeah.
Like you said, right? And spray it.
exactly. Distilled water. Yeah.
Thanks for stopping by.
Yeah. Like and subscribe.
Stay healthy.
Bye.
Cheers.